Hello, hello. I guess you guys can hear me. So let me take a look real quick and then I will set up my video real quick. Mhm. I will set up. All right, so I just looked at it. Everything looks fine. So let me quickly connect. So how I use my phone, I'm just gonna show you how I do it because I use my phone as my webcam. All right, so I use a tool called Camo Studio. All right. So if you guys use this, you will see uh, this kind of app, obviously. All right, and then I will just directly go to the settings option. Like it's really easy. Like you just need to connect your device with a uh, what's it called? QR code, and you can see like the phone shows up, and my video will show up soon. I guess. Maybe not. I just need to reopen the app on my phone. All right. I think you guys can see me, so I'm just gonna bump up the resolution just a little bit. All right. So you guys can see me now. All I need to do is add my video on this screen. All right. So video capture device, camera. All right. Okay, cool. I think you guys can see me now. Hello everyone. So I'm just gonna turn off my screen for just a second. All right. So I can bring everything over here. Okay, okay, all right. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. So what I'm building here, all right. But let me take a look at the live feed one more time to see if I'm live or not. Yes, I am live. Oh yeah, let's. All right, cool. So you guys can see me and everything. All right, so what happened is that I'm building this automation here that can work using Telegram. All right, so how it works is that every time someone is going to be sharing or uploading a regular reel, all right, it's gonna add the subtitle. All right, that's the easiest solution, like easiest explanation. So I just uploaded this to my GitHub, but for some reason, like it didn't connect quite well. All right, so it's showing an error on my railway because this is the platform I'm using for this. So yeah, like I'm just gonna troubleshoot this and I'm just gonna uh, walk you guys through how everything is going on, and I am gonna check out my limit. All right, so I am at 70%, almost 70% for my current session, and it is going to be reset in 37 minutes. So that's a perfect opportunity to start. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly take a screenshot and then all right. So I'm just gonna share my um, screenshot and then it's gonna easily do its job and everything there, because the best thing about building something with Claude Code or any other tools, that you don't need to be the genius out there. So all you have to do is figure out all right what's wrong. and how can you connect things here and there, and that would be it. All right. So yeah, like this is gonna be working, I guess, pretty soon. All right. And also, if you guys are taking a look at this video for the first time, please feel free to ask me any questions. I'm uh, checking my chat section here, I guess. So if anyone is watching, you guys can leave a comment, ask me any questions, and if you want any help building your automation, like you can obviously reach out to me. You can see my mm, email there. All right. And you can also book a meeting with me from here as well. All right. So, yeah, where I am right now. Okay, I'm live. So, I'm also checking out different platforms. All right, because I am doing this live after a long time. So, I don't know like how things are moving. All right. So, that's why I'm just checking and making sure that everything is working, things are going nice and clean. Right. And all I have to do is wait here. So let me, so I'm at the opus model, obviously, like I'm using extra high for this because I found that extra high is the good balance here. All right, but if you want, like you can go crazy. Right now I'm using the pro model, not the max plan, but I'm planning on upgrading to the max plan pretty soon. But right now, like that's how it is. Like I'm just building few things here and there, uh, making sure things are going well with my uh, with my business. All right, because like I was not able to make some videos, and then I realized that I used to do YouTube live back then, and then like let me just do it how it is. We are having some issues with electricity here for a while, so yeah, like things were not on the favor, but today, like I said, like whatever happens, like if anything goes wrong, then I'm just gonna do it later. So yeah, like here I am. All right, so everything is checking out. So let's see, I don't know like what's wrong here. So yeah, like things will be fixed out. All right, and also like in the meantime, like let me share a little bit more about this build. All right, so right now, like how it works, as I mentioned, like someone is gonna, my client, he's gonna upload a video from his phone. It's gonna be transcribing the video, and then it's going to add a subtitle. But in between, like there's an option to add images, there's an option to add b-rolls and things like that. So yeah, like everything looking good. All right, so the table is still fail unless the rules are in place. All right, so yeah, like I'm just gonna add the variables really quickly. All right, so I am just going to add the Telegram bot token. All right, so I have my, so all you have to do is go to your Telegram. All right, and then slash command and then new bot. All right, all right, so I'm just gonna choose a name. So uh, so how do I select the name? So I'm just gonna say Maximus. All right, Maximus underscore bot. Okay, cool. So I have the Telegram bot token. So I'm just gonna show you. All right. Okay. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm just gonna, or like keep it like this, don't worry. Alright, because API and things like that. So there are so many things to add here, I guess. All right, so I will keep working on that. So allow uh, chat ID. So this is the most important thing. So for this one, like I will have to find my chat ID, and I cannot show you guys that one. All right. So Telegram webhook. I'm not sure what is that. Webhook secret. OpenAI. So I just need to grab my OpenAI API key really quickly. Thing. All right. So I have money. So create new secret key. So I'm just gonna create a new API key for my uh, OpenAI. All right. So Whisper one Pixabay API key. So I need Pixabay profile to add the Beatles. All right. So let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna sign in using my profile or how it works. Okay, didn't work quite well. All right, so I'm in my Pixabay account settings, manage library. So all I have to do is search for how do I get my get API key. All right. All right. Welcome to Pixabay API key. Okay. Okay, so I got an API key, so I'm not sure if that's my Pixabay. I added that one. All right. So let's see what happens. All right. So it's building. All right. So build failed. All right. What happened now? Let's check. So I'm just gonna take a look. All right. So it failed for some reason. All right. So all right. So this is how things goes. All right. So we just need to like troubleshoot and then fix what breaks, and then yeah, like it. That's how it is. All right. So now reading. Okay. Everything is going well. Let's see how far we are. So it didn't do quite well. And then this is the previous one. This is the latest one. So we'll see what happens. Because I added my OpenAI API key, my Pixabay API key as well. Hopefully, all right. Because I never used Pixabay API. Yes, 5080. All right. Okay, it's building again. So let's see how far it goes. All right. And then we will test it out together. So before I do that, so it is building, it is building, it is working. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And let me see if anyone is watching. Okay. Let me take a look at the video real quick. All right, so it's going good. So all right, cool. It is online. So and OpenAI API not token chat and then okay, cool. So I just need to double check if I can test it out or not. So let's see how far it goes. But hopefully I will be able to test it out, in my opinion. And also let me take a look at my usage. So I'm at 76%. So we'll see what happens here. All right, so it looks good. All right, so now I just need to test the thing with you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. So at first, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna send a video. So this is how all right. So transcribing, everything is going well. Okay, do you want to put any images? All right, add images. All right, so it's asking for image. All right. Very nice. All right, so let's see. Mm, okay, so let me get his image. All right. So I will add what is Rick? Mm, all right, that's kind of embarrassing. All right. Okay. So let me just take one and then save it in the downloads. All right, code. So I'm just gonna send the image. All right. Okay. B-roll. All right, here find B-roll for this one. All right. So see more style. Um, let's say pop. All right, because this is how it works. All right. And then it's gonna rendering.
Why not you? Why can't you be the guy who finally does it? You've got the time, you've got the ability, you've got everything you need. So stop doubting yourself and stop fucking negotiating with your excuses. Build the body, build the discipline, build the confidence. Because you fucking can. Now go prove it. Why not you? Why?
So I think that's gonna like I never thought like it's gonna work like within one shot. All right, but there's still need uh, to be done. All right, to do some work. All right. Uh, but yeah, like it worked. All right. So uh, I'm really excited for this. So I just need to do some back end work because um what should I say? Like it just worked in a quick way. All right. So all I have to do is send a video. All right. So it's duration, like it will just ask how many images I want. All right. So I'll just add the images. So I added this. So it looked for b-rolls. It saw that only one image. All right. It found b-roll, like the video was added instantly. All right. So yeah, like I don't know like what I'm gonna do right now, like as because I just need to uh, test so many things on the back end. All right, because as you can see, the image is a still image. All right, so that's gonna be one thing, and then I will have to do some other things. Let's try with a different style. All right, so let's do this. All right. uh, no image for this one. Cancel. Okay, so the job cancelled. All right, so I didn't realize that. So let me try again. Okay, let's transcribe. Um, no image. I don't want an image. no B-rolls. Alright, can keep up questionnaire. So let's do the questionnaire. Alright. So put everything you can access, render it, render it, like, just do it, and we'll see what's wrong and how can we do that. Alright, because that's how it works. Like, we just need to go through the trial and error, because for this one, rendering pop. Alright, and then I just said render it now, and then
Why not you? Why can't you be the guy who finally does it? You've got the time, you've got the ability, you've got everything you need. So stop doubting yourself and stop fucking negotiating with your excuses. Build the body, build the discipline, build the confidence.
alright, so let's do another test. Alright, let's do it. Again, it's gonna do the thing. Alright, add image. I don't want an image here. No b-rolls. Alright, so see all styles. So I'm just gonna mm, let's do typewriter for this one. Alright, so it's going well. Let me do another one, because it's all about like testing, making sure things are going well, because it's working but not the way I want. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna make sure with this. Alright, okay, pop, rendering it with this. uh, okay, here is the copy output. Okay, render it.
Why not you? Why can't you be the guy who finally does it? You've got the time, you've got the ability, you've got everything you need. So stop doubting yourself and stop fucking negotiating with your excuses. Build the body, build the discipline, build the confidence. Because you fucking can. Now go prove it.
Alright, let's test with another one. Okay, no image, no b-roll, and then transcript, see all styles. So let me take a look at the styles that I fixed it. Alright, editorial. Alright, so I'll just go with the editorial one. We'll see how it goes. Alright, things are going well. Alright, so the video is going out of hand just a little bit. Alright, so when to fix that, let's test with another video. Okay, no image, no b-roll. What? Hmm. Okay, I'll just say different style. So, print, the typewriter. I already added. Let's see with buckets how it looks like. Mm, okay, so let's do with this one. Okay, so this one is taking a little bit of time. All right, because I can see some issues that I made some changes and then it didn't quite work well. All right, so I will need to fix those. Um, okay, so this style is taking a bit more time than usual. I'm not sure why it's happening, but let's see what happens. And in the meantime, let me see if anyone commented on the post or not. So, all right, so it didn't work quite well. Okay, so it didn't work. So let's see what went wrong. Mm, that job already failed. All right, that's what I was looking for because I need to see what went wrong. All right. And for this to do this, let's say the video pick a style. Alright, so that style failed. It didn't work. So let's do another style because that's how I need to make it perfect, right? And right now I only have one video to work with. So that's why it's having some issues. So no B-rolls. And then, okay, no question here. See all styles. Um, let's do rank. Just do it anyway. Alright, worked. So why didn't the other one work quite well? Okay, no image, no b-roll, no stuff. Okay, I listened to it. It says, alright, so questionnaire explained. Right, copy, string. Alright, just do it. Hmm. All right, so here it is. So let me. All right. So what do I do here? I go here. Hmm. All right. So now I have another video to test out with. All right. So it's checking. Look at the video. How it's gonna work. All right. So I don't want to add an image right now. No b-rolls. All right, and then like if this do that. All right, so let's do it number 2. Okay, for this that machine was actually said in the video because that needs. All right, so it failed the task. All right. No image, no b-roll. Let's do like questionnaire explained. All right. So it's like 25%, 38%. So now I can see that there is a progress bar. So I didn't look at it before. All right. So for this one, like it failed. All right. But now this one is 93. All right. It's sending it back. All right. So I can see things are working. All right. But I need to fix a few things here. All right. So I'm just going to go back to Claude. It's working. Arrow. All right. So okay. All right. So I'm just gonna give it the log. All right. Because some videos it couldn't uh, do it. All right. And mm, so, okay. All right. So let me see how far I am with my Claude usage. So I'm at 80%. All right. And let me show you here. And 81%. So, this thing is going to take a look and come up with a plan, obviously. Okay. Okay, so let me just go back to my usual settings to see if anyone commented or not. So everything looks clean so far. Uh, so yeah, fantasy background. And after this request, like I'm just gonna send two more requests. All right. So let's see what it gives me in return. So I know what's going on and everything. And in the meantime, mm, okay. So, mm, okay. Do, and, um, oh, so I'll just add this later on. So let's see what happens. All right. All right. All right. All right. So now it's working. So let's see how far we have to wait. And let me take a look at the context usage. So I'm already at 3%. And for weekly models, like I'm at 9% at the moment. So, yep. This is where I am, and as you guys can see, things are moving well so far. All right. And for the first try, like it's not that uh, bad in my opinion. All right, because um, things fall apart, and then we need to fix it, and that's the that's the idea here. All right. So yeah, let's make things happen, like fix it more and fix it even more, and then make it perfect. Also, let's take a look at my phone. It's just heating up a little bit, and yeah, like if I move my phone, like the video shakes as well. So yeah, that's kind of crazy because like I do have a webcam on my laptop, obviously, but it's just a trash webcam. So yep, that's how it is. So it's still going on, and also everyone who is looking at this, um, if you want a system like this that can do your reels, so you just record your reel and then like you just send it to your telegram and then the telegram process it for you. You can definitely send me a DM on my Facebook or Instagram or any platform you're watching me from, because I only have three: Facebook, Instagram, and my LinkedIn. Or if you're coming from my website, that's cool as well. So yeah, like, and also like it's not, this is not the only automation I built. I built all types of automations for businesses so that you guys can save time. Because like yesterday I sent messages to two people. All right. And I asked like, hey, how much time do you guys spend on editing the videos for reels? And one said, hey, I use CapCut and it takes me like 20 minutes. And then another guy, he said, hey, I use Premiere Pro and it takes me 30 minutes for one reel. So yeah, like, and you guys can see like it is just an instant job here. All right. So yeah, let's see how far we can go. All right, it's going and going. It's building everything, the layers and things like that. All right. Okay, so YouTube Live is going good and everything is working just fine. So let's wait until it finishes and let me see how much usage. So I'm at 10% and also for 10% for all models. All right. So yeah, let's keep going. All right. Well, let's pump up the input just a little bit. All right. All right, guys. Okay. So it's working. So let me take a quick uh, break for some water while it's working, and I'll be back within a minute. All right, guys, I am back, and it looks like it's still going. All right, and yeah, like that's the best part about using Claude Code or any other platform. So it's still going on and going on and going on. So, yep. Mhm. And also, like if you take a look at like what I have done, you need to compact like once every in a while, because like as you can see, I have compacted my sessions. All right, because if you just keep using it too much, then things will go crazy. All right, so as you can see, like after the last session, like I compacted it twice. All right, so and there are some other ways to make it happen. So um, do what it um, looks best for you. All right, use that. So yeah, like that's my recommendation. Or because if you don't, then the context window is gonna be bigger and bigger, and you will get less uh, results. All right, if you ask me. So let's see how far I am. Like I'm in at 19%. All right, so that's not bad. So yeah, let's see how far we can go and how much impact we can make. All right. Like punch in. All right, return and push. Only the register on GitHub. All right. All right. All right. So let's see if it are deployed or not. All right. So what's next? So I'm at 20% usage. All right. And now I am just going to test it again. All right. So I send this file. All right. We'll do that. No image. No b-roll. All right. So plain typewriter. There's two buckets. All right. This randomly. So it's gonna be encoding the videos. All right. It is at 13%. Right, 41. 84. All right. It's gonna come back in a moment. All right.
You need to stop fucking fearing carbs. I'm a fitness coach and I'm literally telling clients to eat more carbs. But carbs make you fat. No, eating more calories than you burn makes you gain fat. Carbs are fuel. Fuel for training, fuel for performance, fuel for fucking life. So why would you...
All right. So I can see there is an issue with this video. All right. Because this thing like here, it should have been one with green, one with yellow, and one with red. All right.
completely cut the thing that helps you train harder, perform better? I'm not saying eat unlimited carbs. I'm saying stop being stupid about them.
Okay. So mm, yellow and red. Mm. And all right, so this is gonna work, and this is gonna keep trying and see what, because like as I'm saying this, the video looks good, all right, things are popping up, all right, but what's happening here is that um, how would I say, it's not like this thing is not perfect, but everything else is looking good, all right. So yeah, like I'll just go fix some things on the back end. It's running on the back end as well, like it's taking a look, all right, what's wrong, what's going on here. and and also let me take a look at my OpenAI API usage, all right. So I know like how much money I'm burning here, all right, for my API key, all right. So it use like less than, not less than, yeah, like not much, all right. So it was only 3 cents, I guess. All right. So yeah, like that's the cost. As you guys can see, like everything was testing live, and it only took um, less than 3 cents. I'm sorry, less than 1 cent. But you do the math. All right. And yeah, like I'll just keep working on it. And I will just wrap things here for now on this video. And yeah, like if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, whoever you guys are watching it later on. And yeah, until we do it next time, see you guys later. Bye bye.